Now if you're going to light a fire out in the bush, or anywhere for that matter, there's certain rules that you can't break, and I want to take you through a few of those now if you want to have a successful fire. So this is basically a camping setup, and it's already in a designated area, so it's more to do with actually getting it lit and getting it burning, because it is surprising how many people actually don't know how to light a fire these days. I've asked a few questions, and yeah, there's quite a few people that don't know. So it's a skill that's incredibly important, because it can give you so many things like warmth, sterilising water, cooking your food, and just the aesthetics of it, and relaxation and stuff like that. That's all good. So you need to know how to light a fire, even if you think you don't need to know how to light one. So I'm going to be using, or going to give it a go, the Flint, because it just lasts so much longer than a box of matches. Now with Flint, it's good to carry in your pack a bit of cotton wool at the same time, because it just catches, the sparks catch a hold of those little fibres and and spread that flame very quickly. So they'll turn sparks into flame in a second. So it's good to have your cotton wool on something also that is flammable, so a little bit of paper. Have your other stuff ready to go. So, because that fire's not going to last long once it's going, because cotton wool is just going to burn out. So here we go. Now this one, there's flint there, and there's a bit of magnesium on this one, and I'll just use the flint side of it. So there we go. It doesn't take very much, as long as it's all dry. Now once your fire's going, you've got to get your thin stuff on it pretty quickly. You don't want to smother your fire, so just sort of put it on gently in the way that it allows the air to come in. You basically want one or two layers of thin sticks, and then the next layer up, like these, you need 2 or 3 layers of those. I'll just get a couple more. And you just graduate it. The bigger this flame gets, the bigger your sticks get. And so right now we've basically got our fire that's not going to go out in any hurry. We can put our thick logs on. These are our logs that are going to turn to coals. So you don't just want to make fire, you want to actually make coals, and that's what's good for the cooking. So I can now leave that for probably half an hour, 45 minutes, and it'll burn down, produce some great coals, so I can use them for cooking, or boiling water, or whatever it is that I want to do. And I'm going to come back and do that in half an hour or 45 minutes. So stick around and watch the next episode I make on how to do camp oven cooking. I'm going to cook up a roast with a few veggies on the side. So I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.